Today we're diving into the world of pure automotive luxury, the top 5 most expensive SUVs in the world. These aren't your average family haulers. These are rolling mansions, blending raw power, cutting-edge technology, and handcrafted opulence. So, if you've ever wondered what kind of SUVs the world's billionaires drive, buckle up, because this list is going to blow your mind. Number 5. Aston Martin DBX707. Around $250,000. A British masterpiece that's equal parts luxury and performance. Aston Martin took the already powerful DBX and cranked it up to 11. Under the hood, it packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing a staggering 697 horsepower. Hence the name 707. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury SUVs in the world. But it's not just about speed. Inside, it's a sanctuary of elegance. You'll find fine leather, polished aluminum, and that signature Aston Martin attention to detail. Number 4. Lamborghini Urus Performante. Around $265,000. The world's first true super SUV. Now, when Lamborghini entered the SUV game, people thought they were crazy. But the Urus changed everything. It brought supercar performance to SUV practicality. The Performante version takes things to another level. It's lighter, faster, and more aggressive, thanks to its 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, pushing out 657 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, and can hit a top speed of around 190 miles per hour. Inside, it's classic Lamborghini. Bold lines, carbon fiber, and customizable leather options in vibrant colors. And the sound? That deep growl when you hit the throttle. Pure automotive music. This is not just an SUV. It's a supercar that happens to have 4 doors. Number 3. Bentley Bentayga EWB Mulliner. Around $420,000. A masterpiece of British craftsmanship. The Bentayga has always been known for its mix of performance and luxury. But the EWB Mulliner takes refinement to an entirely new level. EWB stands for Extended Wheelbase, meaning there's extra legroom in the rear, turning this SUV into a first-class lounge on wheels. Powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing around 542 horsepower, it's smooth, silent, and incredibly capable. But what really sets it apart is the interior. Everything inside is hand-stitched, handcrafted, and customizable. The leather is some of the finest in the world. The wood veneers are polished to perfection. This SUV isn't about showing off. It's about enjoying the finer things in life. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge, around $450,000. It's powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine that produces 600 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, yet it moves with quiet authority, like a private jet on the road. The Black Badge version adds a sportier edge, blacked-out details, carbon fiber accents, and a slightly firmer suspension for those who like to drive their Rolls rather than be driven. Inside, it's pure opulence. Starlight headliner, custom embroidery, lamb's wool carpets, every inch can be personalized. Want your initials stitched into the seats? Or a color that matches your yacht? Rolls-Royce will make it happen. This SUV doesn't just carry you, it carries your status. Number 1. Ferrari Purosangue, around $500,000 plus. Under the hood, it packs a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing 715 horsepower and revving up to 8,250 RPM. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. And despite its SUV proportions, it handles like a sports car. The interior is a masterpiece of Italian design, a perfect blend of minimalism and craftsmanship, with dual cockpit styling, so the passenger feels as involved as the driver. Unlike most Ferraris, the Purosangue has 4 doors and real practicality, but it's still rare. Ferrari only produces a limited number each year, keeping exclusivity sky high. So there you have it, the top 5 most expensive SUVs in the world. From the raw power of the Lamborghini Urus Performante to the royal comfort of the Bentley Bentayga, these SUVs redefine what luxury means on 4 wheels. So tell me in the comments, if money was no object, which one would you drive home in? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I've got more amazing car content coming soon, from high-tech car automation to luxury car comparisons.